So in this video, I'm going to go through the easy way that you can generate Facebook leads in 2024. Now, this video is very specific to 2024 and beyond because Facebook has been around for such a long time and it's changed over those years. It's changed to adapt to the way that your customers or you use the Meta platforms. So that's Facebook, Messenger, Instagram, and WhatsApp. I remember back when we first started, when ads came out, we would drive engagement and awareness based ads. So this was all about getting our presence out there. So we'd run ads or boost posts and just to make ourselves known and get people to see us and things like that. And that's great. And that worked back then because as part of that, we could get page likes. Once people liked our page, it meant that we could put our posts in front of them time and time again. But over the years, Facebook have really limited how easy it is to organically get our page posts to the people that like our page because they don't want us spamming our audience. Even though it's our audience, they've liked our page. If it's not relevant to them, then Facebook aren't going to put it in front of them. So Facebook ads kind of had to change with it, the way in which we use it, because that no longer gave us a conversion value for money. So then we went to more traffic-based ads, which was all about getting people over to our website, and then our website would do the talking. But that's when websites were kind of good at converting people. Someone would land on a website, they'd browse around, look to see what they want, and take action. Now, that's kind of stopped as well. People normally end up on a website, and if they have to start looking around, it just creates more questions, and they never take the action that you want them to take. So one of the things that we can do is landing pages, and landing pages is really good, but in this instance, we're trying to make things really easy. We don't want to have to build more landing pages and websites and things like that. We just want to make things simple. So that's what brings us on to what we do now, and that is Facebook Forms. Now, there's a couple of reasons for using Facebook Forms. One, it's really simple to set up, and there's a video here that you can click on that shows you how you go about creating a Facebook form, or a Facebook ad with a Facebook form in it. And then you'll see another video as well, which talks about the lead nurturing. So how to get that Facebook form, that person into your emails automatically and drip feed them the information that they want to get them to convert. So it is really simple to do. But the second reason that we do it is because it's the way that people now want to use Facebook, the way that they want to give us their information. We are lazy people, seriously. We are really, really lazy. And if we have to do more than just a couple of clicks, we tend to lose our way. We tend to get bored, end up doom scrolling on something else. So someone might come to your ad, and because you've given them too much to do, they're now looking at cat videos. And so we want to avoid that. We really want to make sure that they take the action that we want them to take. So when they're running an ad and they click on that button to fill in their information, a form pops up and it is automatically filled with the information that we want to collect from them. So that's the name, the address. We run ads as well in which asks for telephone numbers and the city that they're based in. And if that's in their Facebook profile, then it automatically adds that information to it. So all they got to do is press send. It is that simple. Everything is going this way. Google are going to start adapting how their Google search works. So they take the information from your website, they can deliver it in the listing, including giving the ability for people to buy products or book courses directly on Google, so they don't actually have to click through to your website. So Google is moving this way as well. If you look at Google My Business now, it can also have a chat widget on. So if you place a chat widget on your website, it will appear in Google My Business so people can communicate with you directly via a chat widget, not just the call or message button, but a chat widget directly on Google. So there is a lot of platforms moving this way to this simplicity. Now, for me, it started coming this way with Amazon. When Amazon started creating that one-click buy, where you see something and it says buy now, you just press it and then you scan your button just to double confirm it. But it is that simple in order to buy something. You know, your name's already populated, your card details already populated. So in one click, you can get the product that you want from Amazon. And so when one person leads and we find it simple, then we all follow. And Facebook has done exactly the same. So create an ad, connecting a Facebook form to it, so that people, when they click on that button, it autofills and they can send their information directly to us. Now, you really need to make sure, though, that you get that information right in your ad. So you need to remember that they're not going to your website. They're not making a call. They are literally just sending their information over. So you're not going to say book now because they're not booking now. You're not going to say call now because they're not calling now. You're not going to say drop us a message because they're not dropping you a message. So the wording in your ad, or the way that you set that ad up, needs to be clear that they are joining a waiting list. That's one of the key things that we do. We always say a waiting list, or to find out more information, because what we can do by clicking on the other videos that you see, is you can understand how to create a email nurture sequence. So they fill in the information, then suddenly they get a range of emails. And in the Facebook form, when you set it up, you can state that. So once they submit their information, they can go to a thank you page that says, thank you, you'll receive a few emails. Please check your inbox or your spam box just for that, those emails, which gives you more information. And you also have a button at the bottom where you can send people into a certain direction. Look, if you do want to book a course now, then head over to our website. The chance of them clicking on that button is low, as I've mentioned, but it's still good to have there just for those people that are ready to buy now, ready to convert. They can press that button, go over to your website, and if they are keen, book a space on your course or whatever it is that you're offering. So, your coaching programs, your training programs, or, your print management, or whatever it is that you're offering, they can go over and they can see that and take action there. But either way, you've already got their details. And this is an especially good reason why not to send people to your website and do it after you've collected their information, is so you can continue to email nurture. So there's so many positives about using Facebook forms. Not only is it more likely to get you leads in 2024, it's more like it's better for collecting people's information, so you can use multi-strands of marketing in order to retarget them. Now, we've got some clients. We've got one in the health and wellness sector who's getting leads coming in for 50p. And even this surprised me, getting it so low. I wasn't expecting it to be that low, but we spent a lot of time crafting that ad and the form to make sure that it converts really well. We got someone in the housing sector which is bringing leads in for about £15. Now that may seem high, but for them a conversion is about £10,000 to £15,000. So that is like 1%. Is it 1 or 0.1%? 0.1? Yeah, 0.1% I think it is of the ad spend, the lead spend on the amount of money that they get back. So for them, it is absolutely brilliant, the amount of money that they're spending on Facebook forms. When we were sending people directly to their website, we were just not getting that ROI at all. It was somewhere up into the hundreds, which was ridiculous. Even once we set up all the retargeting ads in order to try and nurture them, just using Facebook ads. So forms is definitely the way to go.